Chapter 8. Verbs, Past Tense. A. Simple past tense. The simple past tense denotes actions or events that happened and were completed in the past. Form 1. The second form of the verb is used in simple past tense. It is used with all the subjects. Subject plus second form of the verb. Examples: I sang. He sang. 2. The negative is formed with did not plus base form of the verb. Subject plus did not or didn't plus base form of the verb. Examples: I did not sing. He did not sing. 3. The interrogative is formed with did plus subject plus base form of the verb, or did plus subject plus base form of the verb. WH question plus did plus subject plus base form of the verb, or did plus subject plus base form of the verb. Examples: Did the boy sing? Did the boys sing? What did they write? Uses. The simple past tense is used 1. To express a habitual regular action that took place at some time in the past. He visited me every Sunday. I ate bread and had tea in the morning. She came late every day during January and February. 2. To express an action which occupied a period of time in the past, which is now ended. In his young days, he wrote short stories for a year. When I was 5, I recited poems. 3. To express events that occurred at a particular point in the past. She passed the test on Monday. He left the school at 1:30 p.m. The train arrived at 6 p.m. B. Simple past or present perfect. Both simple past and present perfect tense express an action completed in the past, but there is one basic difference. The simple past tense expresses a completed action not connected with the present. The present perfect tense expresses a completed action connected with the present. Examples: I have lost my book. It means I don't have a book to read. The action of losing the book is linked with the present. I lost my book yesterday. No link with the present. Present perfect, simple past. The present result of the past action, linked with the present, a past action, not linked with the present. Done or happened a short time ago, done or happened a long time ago. A time up to the present, a time in the past. Note: the most important thing to remember is that we should not use any time expression denoting past time with the present perfect tense. I have done that yesterday. Wrong. Yesterday denotes past time while have done is in the present tense. I met him yesterday. Right. C. Past continuous tense. Form 1. The form of the verb in the past continuous tense is was or were plus ing form of the verb. Subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing plus. Examples: I was singing. They were singing. 2. Negative is formed by inserting not after was or were. Subject plus was or were plus not plus verb plus ing plus. Examples: I was not singing. They were not singing. 3. Interrogative is formed putting the first part of the verb, was or were, or WH question before the subject. Was or were plus subject plus verb plus ing plus, or WH question plus was or were plus verb plus ing plus. Examples: Was he singing? Were they singing? Who was driving the car? Uses. The past continuous tense is used 1. To express a continuing action at some point of time in the past when another event took place. He was sitting with his father when his friend came. She hurt herself while she was playing. 2. To describe two or more actions going on at the same time in the past. He was reading, his friend was writing, and his sister was playing in the evening. D. Past perfect tense. Form The form of the past perfect tense is had plus past participle form of the verb. Subject plus had plus past participle form of the verb. Examples: we had left the house before the sonrise. He had received the letter before they called. Uses: past perfect tense is used 1. To express an action that was completed at a certain time in the past. By half-time, they had scored 3 goals. They had finished the whole food by 11 a.m. 2. To express an action in the past which was completed before another. The train had left before we reached the station. He had come when it started raining. E. Past perfect continuous tense. Form. The form of the verb in the past perfect continuous tense is had been plus present participle. Subject plus had been plus verb plus ing plus. Example: we had been learning idioms and phrases for 1 hour. Use. This tense is used to express an action which began in the past and continued up to a given point of time or a certain period of time. I had been waiting for him for 10 minutes when he arrived. She had been playing since morning. F. Since, for. Since and for are often used with perfect continuous tenses. 1. Since is used with the point of time at which an action started. The action continues till the time of speaking. Examples: the boys have been playing since morning. Riti has been dancing since 10 o'clock. 2. For is used to suggest the period of time for which an action has been going on. Examples: I have been working at this place for 5 years. Aviral has been absent for 2 days. G. Used to. Form. 1. In positive statements, the form is used to plus base form of the verb in all numbers and persons. Examples: we used to swim in the lake water. He used to live next to my house. 2. In the negative statements, the form is used not to, never used to. Examples: he used not to do any exercise. Less common. She never used to do any exercise. More common. 3. In the interrogative statements, the form is did plus subject plus used to plus. Example: did she used to do any exercise? Yes, she did. Uses. 1. Used to means that something often happened in the past but does not happen now. Example: she used to teach me maths. It means that she taught me maths in the past but does not do so now. 2. There is no present tense of used to, therefore we use the simple present tense of the verb to express actions that often happen in the present. Example: she often teaches me mathematical operations. H. Using be in the past tense. It was holiday. Hina and Priya were at home. They had been watching movie till late night, so they were still not awake. They wanted to sleep longer, but their mother wanted them to wake up as it was already late. The words printed in bold letters are the past tense forms of the verb be. The past tense forms of the verb be are as follows. I, first person, sing, he or she or it, third person, sing, was ready, was not or wasn't ready, was I ready, was he or she or it ready. You, second person, single and plural, were ready, were not or weren't ready, were you ready? We, first person, plural, were ready, were not or weren't ready, were we ready? They, third person, plural, were ready, were not or weren't ready, were they ready? I, using have in the past tense. I, first person, singular, he or she or it, third person, singular, you, second person, singular and plural, we, first person, plural, they, third person, plural. Had a bike, had not or did not have a bike, hadn't or didn't have a bike. Had I or we or you or he or she or it or they, a or any bike. Did I or we or you or he or she or it or they have a or any bike? Short forms: I had is equal to I'd, I had not is equal to I'd not, I hadn't.